Right, hey everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So this is lesson 5, and this was another look at the hazards drill. Basically, a few things you do when you're going to a junction. We went back to the residential area, which we've seen on lesson 2 of these vlogs. I won't go to the same one, just so it's a bit different. Tell you what, we could go to Blaine County, and it looks like there's some areas there. I'm still in that mini from the last episode. But I was actually looking for a ballista car. No, that's not one. Similar, but not that one. When you're stuck in this situation, you should really give enough space for another car between you and the vehicle in front. I'll give it all up for you. Give it all up for you. Way to those going this way. What a weird junction. So I do hope that these vlogs have kind of been helpful, or at least fun to watch. Again, this is mainly just so I can review what I was doing during the lessons. I wrote up notes, and I'm kind of following them now, but I think as the lessons went down, I made less and less descriptions about things. So it needs to be in this lane. Oh, it's a such a carriageway. Yes, it is, right. Yeah, I mean, I'm starting to learn the city as well. Merge into one lane and then give way to those already on thing. Yeah, I would love to play this game with an actual steering wheel and pedals. It'd be cool. Oh shit. Because if it was VR as well, because I'm using the stick to look and it's a bit hard actually. And I can't like look in the mirrors properly and it's a bit slow to look, but I don't want to make it so sensitive that I can't see what I'm doing. I wonder if they have the same speed limits that we do in Britain. Because on the dual carriageways, it's like 70. Oh, I need to be in this other lane. Sorry, car behind. Okay. Here we go. And then this way. Shit. Shit. Sorry. And then I need to be in this lane because I'm turning left. Oh no, it's a hill. I'm not particularly good at hill starting as well. It's kind of like a bit of a nightmare for me. So I know what to do, but it's just the fact that your car's rolling back and you can't really stop it. I've just never been good at it, and it's something I'm still doing like now. And like, as I mentioned, in these areas, you can, if you go into seconds, you can completely let go of the pedals, and your momentum will get you around the corner. And because you're turning, your momentum is going to slightly increase as well. Oh, nice road surfaces. So there should be an actual little town here, and not these shitty roads. But if you watch my second episode, this is where these sort of places is very similar to what I was actually learning in on my first lesson. And the second lesson, it's a kind of proper road here. We can do something quite close. Yeah, we can do things here. Right. Left. Because the thing about US roads is that they're very square compared to British ones. Yeah, this will be an okay place to do the things. And I'll just pull up where I put my marker so I can explain what we did at this bit. Where's that police car? Oh shit, shoot out. Kind of sounded like the goat screaming. So this lesson was hazards drill. The way they describe it is a bit silly, actually. Each time you're presented with a potential actual hazard on the road, i.e. anything that may require you to change speed, position or direction, you should go through the hazard drill unless it is an emergency. While each step of the drill needs to be considered in the order shown, it need not necessarily be acted upon. So there's 6 steps to the hazard drill. So mirrors, use your interior mirror, God I can't talk. Use interior mirror, side mirrors, or glances left and right, then you signal, and then you determine your best position, like you want to be on the road, adjust your speed so you can negotiate the bends or corner, hazard, whatever it is, and then go into your correct gear, and then do a last look before you negotiate the hazard. So you're meant to be doing that every time you're doing something. So I'll try and slow this down, explain it a bit more, and yeah, I'll be flipping the video again so it makes sense from my point of view and what the car can see. So if you're wanting to go left, so I'll just get to a good bit of road. Right, so from my point of view, this will be going to the left. Going to the right. Oh, this is so confusing. So I'll just go as slowly as I can. check your internal mirrors, and then signal left, which I can't do on here, but and then because I'm going left, I have to position myself a bit more on this side. Speed, so slow the car down enough to a good speed that will let you get to the corner or whatever. Yeah, select the gear, so in this case second gear would be good for this. And then have a look in your mirror before you do it, and then actually do it, and then have a last look, and then that's it. Yeah, it's quite difficult to explain it as you're doing it, so I'll try and do that again. So look in my mirrors, what's behind me, and then signal, and then position yourself, and then adjust your speeds, and then put it in like second gear or something, and then as you're about to do it, last look. There we go, that's to the left. So to the right, it's essentially exactly the same, just you're changing direction. So look in your internal mirrors, signal, I mean I'm actually quite close here, but you wouldn't do it this close, and then adjust your speed, put it into second gear, and then look, last look, and then go. Let's go around again. Get your internal mirrors, signal, position yourself, lower your speeds, put it into second gear, then have a last look, and then go. And really that's all it is to the hazard drill. You're just basically doing them steps, and you'll be doing this for anything really. So there you go, that is the basics of the hazard drill. So now I'll head back to the city, and we basically did the same sort of thing but town settings. So we're looking at like different types of junction, so stop signs, Y junctions, high street stuff, same sort of thing. It's nice to have proper roads in Blaine County. That was bad. Oh shit, long way. Oh fuck. Sorry, red car. Sorry. Right, so dual carriageway again. So you're using this bit of the lane to speed up basically. But those on the dual carriageway do have right of way, so bear that in mind. But you can adjust your speed to sort of find an opening and then just do that. Congestion, is it? There's loads of oldie classics on this station. Why is this car on this lane if it's going super slow? I don't even think... I think on the highway codes you can't take cars with caravans on... So you're gonna drive into me? The overtaking lane. Because I'm not driving particularly well just at the moment, just to save time. Like I'm too close to this car. I've got no windshield, so that's good. Would you stop braking like that, please? Ugh. Oh god. Oh, we got tunnel. Awesome tunnel. A little tunnel. Still, tunnel's cool. As I said, I can't wait until I'm actually driving in the tunnel. It's gonna be so cool. Oh, come on. Don't just stop. Is this traffic lights? Or is it a giveaway? Oh, it's so frustrating. Right. Where would be a nice place? Like, this is too roady. I mean, what I could do, I could just drive around this until we see the different types of junction. So hours I would have done on the lesson, the training so far. So this is lesson 5, but after the third lesson. So third lesson was 9 hours. Oh, fuck off. Why did you do that? Bastard. So 9, and then has the 2-hour lesson, 10, 11, and it is 12, so this would be 13. So this would be roughly halfway between my training sessions. Still on the lookout for that blister car. Yeah, there's a lot of really big junctions in this game in Los Santos. I've not faced anything like this yet on my driving. When you're learning, it's quite scary, situations like this. Just seeing all these cars around you, people walking about and all the lights, it's quite distracting really. Right, I'm going to drive like a twat, just to drive like a twat, waiting for morning time. Yeah, this is also my last lesson driving a Fiesta. Oops. Well, there goes my headlights. That's why you need headlights! And also a camera which doesn't do that. Oh, I would hate to be driving like this in real life. Oh! Well, if I've got no headlights, the town doesn't need them. Oh, that hurt.
Sure, you work in an office? Sure, you do Pilates.
Let's see what's going on here. Oh, that was nice. The bridge. Oh. Well, hello. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Whoa! Yeah, I'm just, you know, driving at night until it's daytime. Sorry! Ugh! If I was sensible, I would say, I'll get out and get the other one so we've got the headlights, but, no, it doesn't matter. I did wonder if this was a pedestrian bit, and it is. What's this? Pier. Oh, cool. Oh, that's cool. It's worth seeing. Can I go on it? Is this a parking area? Oh, let's go straight in. Oh, it's not. Let's go into this one. That'll do. Yeah, probably not going to go back to that car. Not a lot of people here.
All the celebs go there.
It's a shame it's not very busy. Can I get some? Yeah.
That hit the spot.
Didn't have to throw it away, twat. What is that? Leviathan. $15? $15? Awesome. Awesome. Oh! Cool. That actually goes through the fairground. That was it? $15. Oh well. It's worth seeing.
Kidding me?
Shit!
Shit! The Ferris whale is $8. Let's change view. It's really cool. You know, I've never been on a Ferris wheel. Ever. And I mean, it is cool. It is a nice sort of thing to do. Yeah, it's a shame it's not daytime. I'll do one revolution and then get off. So in the next bit of what I'll tell you guys about, there's no plan, but then again, there's not been any plan for anything I've done so far. But it is purely looking at other junctions, and it's gonna be a case of I find one, I kind of tell you what to do, but we've seen them as I've been driving around in other episodes. You've already seen them. Bean machine.
Asshole.
Hello, bean grinding and perk up.
You are.
Someone's on the rag.
What?
Hey man, what a fucking joke.
I don't wish I could play it. What? Michael, what are you doing? Right, now hopefully there's a blister here. This isn't one, is it? No. I mean, these are... That's not going to stay, isn't it? This is kind of a hatchback. I might go for this. Yeah, I'll do this one. No alarm. Stop sign. So, in this situation, stop until it's safe to go. Oh, okay. It's green, go, go, go! It's very misty today. But yeah, as I mentioned, I am driving into work every day and then parking and everything. But pretty much I'm letting stuff happen when it wants to, and then I can deal with it when it wants to. I'm kind of not specifically going out to drive and practice. I mean, I could, but for me, I kind of prefer to have an objective. And simply just go out and practice, because I just find it tedious. I mean, it's a bit different for some people. I'm sure some would prefer to actually say, right, I'm going to drive out today and only do bay parking. But a lot of the time I find it situational. Just if you happen to come across something, just deal with it then. I mean, things which do bother me, are the hill starts. I don't know, some skills are transferable, I think. When I'm leaving work, it gets quite busy on the roads, so it's giving me good clutch control of the feet, which is useful, and I'm kind of able to hold the clutch. So I've got a better understanding of at what point I can hold it, at what point it will stall. So I'm sure if I did find another hill start, I would kind of be able to handle it better. Just have to trust a bit more in what I'm doing and everything. But yeah. When you get your car, you can do what you want, which is the beauty of it. Oh, God. Sorry. What's this now? Richard's Majestic. Can I go in? Can I get in without breaking that? Got in without breaking. Oh, shit. Oh, oh, shit. Okay, well we've got a bloody police chase on me now. Oops. It's not there. Come on. Oh, we're at the pier again now. There we go. This song is annoying. No! Oi! Oi! Come in here, good intentions, teaching people how to drive, or saying what I did, and then I'd start playing GTA for GTA. Yep. I'm losing the plot. I don't know what to tell you guys. We did what I did at the start, but we did it in towns as well. And there's only a couple of times I stalled, usually on bits where it went downhill or uphill slightly, and that's that. So I'm probably gonna close this episode off because I'm just getting distracted now. Oh, is this... Hang on, this is ringing bells. Yeah, this is a multi-story car park, but it's not open. Oh!
Sorry about that. It's over for you, shitbird.
Why me? Oh God. Yeah, I'm getting too distracted. GTA. We just lose these cops and they'll go. Oh, jeez. No! 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 Don't do that. Oh! Don't ban me, you twat. I can't even remember what I did wrong now. Oh yeah, ran over people. But they were shooting, so... Oh... God. If I wait here, I might be fine. Shit. There we go. And this is the parking bay. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll try and be a bit more descriptive next lesson. But, yeah, I'll see you, next vlog.